In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho Mail. Having a well-structured email template can save you a lot of time, especially if you find yourself sending the same kind of email on a regular basis. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your first template set up. First, you'll need to open the Email Composer. This starts by logging into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're in, look for the New Mail button, which is typically located at the top of your dashboard. Clicking this button will open the Email Composer, where you can start drafting your message. This is where you'll create the skeleton of your template, so it's important to begin here. Now that you have the Email Composer open, our next step is to access the template options. Direct your attention to the toolbar within the Email Composer. Here, you'll see various icons, each with its own function. Look for and click on the Insert Template icon. This will lead you to a selection of template options that you can use to either start fresh or work with an existing design. Since we're focusing on creating a new template, you'll want to find the New Template button inside the Insert Template pop-up window. This button is your gateway to customizing your own email layouts from scratch. Clicking it will open a new window that allows you to develop your personalized template. With the new template window open, it's time to name and compose your template. Start by giving your template a name that captures its purpose. This is especially helpful if you plan to create multiple templates over time. Once you've named your template, proceed to compose the content directly in the email body. Remember to include all the basics you use regularly, like a greeting, any common text, and a sign-off, while avoiding specific recipient names to maintain its reusability. Once you've drafted the content in the email body to your satisfaction, the final step is to save your template. Look for the Create button, which is usually located at the bottom or side of the window, and click it. This action confirms your template creation, saving it for future use whenever you need. You'll be able to quickly select this template anytime you compose a new email, cutting down on repetitive work and ensuring consistent communication. And there you have it. You've learned how to create an efficient email template in Zoho Mail. Use this template to save time and streamline your email communications, making it easier to manage your day-to-day workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you navigate Zoho Mail more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.